أنا البحر في أحشائه الدر كامن، فهل سألوا الغواص عن صدفاتي.
Assalamu alaikum. Marhaban bikum in another video of Learn Arabic with Dr. AbdulRahman. Now, in this video series, we are learning the Arabic language grammar, the simplified Arabic grammar for beginners. What you are learning in this series is the basics of Arabic language grammar for beginners. Now, we will continue this series, and as I told you, step by step, you will cover all the aspects of Arabic language grammar. In this video, I will teach you more about the question words. Now, question words, they are too many, but in this video, we're going to focus on the most fundamental, highly frequent question words. Now, as we said, we already have equational sentences, words, expressions. Now it is time to put some grammar. And in this video, we're going to talk about the question words necessary for you to start making sentences. The first question word that we are going to learn is the most easiest one, which is the word used for yes-no question, which is the word هل. هل. It is very easy. How you can use هل? Very easy. Any equational sentence like this. هو طالب. Just put هل before the equational sentence and then a question mark in the end. That's it. And then you have made your first question, your first yes-no question. So, هو طالب. هل هو طالب. Let's say it with the tanween. هو طالب. هل هو طالب. هذا كتاب. هل هذا كتاب. هي موظفة جديدة. هي موظفة جديدة. هي is the subject. موظفة جديدة is the خبر. We're gonna put هل in the beginning. So, هل هي موظفة جديدة? We transfer the sentence from she is a new employee into a question. That is she a new employee? So, very easy. هل, we put it before the equational sentence and then it makes a yes-no question. Very easy. Let's go to the second question word. The second question word is ما. ما. ما has a lot of uses. More than 6 different uses in Arabic language. One of them is to ask about things. So for example, هذا كتاب. I want to say, what is this? ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? ما هذا. Now you use ما to ask about things, not about humans. So what about humans? We use the third question word, which is من. من. Now before we go to من, one famous use of the word ما is when you say ما اسمك. ما اسمك. What is your name? ما اسمك. ما اسمك. So that is ما for the question. Now let's go to من. If you want to say who is this, you say من هذا. من هذا. For example, someone is knocking at the door. من في الباب. من في الباب. You want to ask about who is the teacher. من المعلم. من المعلم. Now, let's move to another question word. أين. أين. أين asks more about place. So, أين, where is the book? أين الكتاب? Where is the book? أين الكتاب? أين الحليب? Where is the milk? أين الحليب? Now for the famous question of asking someone where they are from. So you will say, من أين أنت? من أين أنت? We added من before أين. من أين أنت? You want to ask someone, where did you buy this from? من أين اشتريت هذا الكتاب? من أين اشتريت هذا الكتاب? Where did you buy it from? Another important question word that we need for this level is the word كيف. كيف means how. So when I say كيف حالك or كيف حالك, كيف حالك, how are you doing? If I want to say كيف الطقس, كيف الطقس, how is the weather? كيف. Now pay attention that the question words do not have case endings. That means هل will always have سكون. كيف will always have فتحة. أين will always have a فتحة. من will always have a سكون. And make sure that you differentiate between man and men. Let's review very quick. The question words that we learned in this video are 1. هل, it's for yes no question. هل أنت طالب? The second word that we learned is ما. ما, we use it to ask about things, not humans. So we say ما هذا. The third one is من. من means who. We use it to ask about humans. من هذا, when I want to say who is this. And the fourth one is أين. أين means where. أين الكتاب, where is the book. And the last one that we learned was كيف. كيف means how. كيف حالك, كيف الطقس. I hope that this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share this with your Arabic language partner. I hope to see you in the coming videos. مع السلامة.